Welcome to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies short series on apps in Canva. When creating a project with Canva, there are apps linked to the platform that one can use to further creatively express their message. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will look at the apps of Background Erase and AI Image Generator. So the first aspect of this would be picking the presentation platform that you would like to use. So for this example, we will use the presentation format. And once you've selected your format, on the left-hand side of the user display, you will see a toolbar. When you click Apps, it will prompt a number of different options for you. So we will be using the search bar at the top, and by typing in Background Eraser, it'll come up with a logo that shows the app for Background Eraser. It's notable to point out that you do require a premium account to access a number of these apps, and that would be available either through paying or for K through 12 educators who verify their position through their school district using the Canva platform. So once you select the Background Eraser tool, it'll come up with a Choose File option. So for this example, I will be using an image of myself to remove the background. So once you've uploaded your image, you will then click Remove Background. And I will show a workaround if you do not have the premium version and would like to try to crop down your image in a different way than a rectangular or square option. So this is an example of one app that you can use in Canva, which helps further creatively express your message and allow you to further customize your slides. So prior to having this background option, there would have been a white box around my image that would have overlaid the background color that you've chosen. And now by using this, you have a transparent background for the image that you would like to see. If you do not have the premium version, by clicking Elements and scrolling down to Frames, you're able to choose an image that you would like to upload into the frame. If your image has a separate background that you would like to remove or further refine, you can do that using these different shapes that are available through the frames option if you do not have access to the background remover. So for example, we can carry the image into either one of these frames and adjust the image within the frame if you're unable to utilize the background remover tool. Now, outside of the background remover tool and adjusting images, there is the idea of the Magic Media app, which is the AI image generator. So by going to apps and searching either through More Access from Canva or typing in the Magic Media, it prompts this app through Canva. Now, it is notable that there are apps that take you to external platforms that require you to create an account with these different platforms in order to utilize their app interfunctionally. So in regards to the Magic Media app, it allows you to enter 5+ words to create an AI generated image. So for this example, we will type in we can type in a photorealistic learning technology department in Montclair State University. Okay. And you can further choose any styles that you would like as prompted previously. But once you enter your prompt and allow the AI image generator to create it, they will come up with either these images that are photorealistic AI images, or you could even further do, let's say, an anime eagle flying over a mountain with snakes and frogs. And it will generate an image similar to the style that you are looking for. So this is another fun way for you to employ your creative expression in your slide deck or presentation with Canva. So these apps are available through the premium version or through the verifiable versions in terms of K through 12 educators. So if you do have any questions or individualized concerns or need help walking through this, please feel free to book an appointment at adpcenter.org and click schedule an appointment, where you can book an appointment with myself or one of my team members. Or if you would like to email us at adpcenter@montclair.edu, please feel free to send those questions to us, and we look forward to seeing you at one of our future workshops.